Tell me that thing ain't badass. You can forget about fog, bro.
This booty. I can't find nobody.
Yeah.
I see nothing.
This one right here,
these,
dude.
they 150, but these worth it.
It's worth every penny, dude. Yeah.
Well, what's the site?
You got your phone here?
Yeah.
Go on Google.
Put it in my memo plan. I gotta get this.
I usually just put aerators.
Hold on, they was e-bike.
No, on e-bike.
Okay.
You're not gonna just go erase everything. Just put in there aerators. Aerators. Email right here. So as soon as they are available, they will send you an email and then you can purchase it.
Okay.
Yeah, bro. You wanna use it one more time?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. These 289 feet. These amazing, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.